Why code duplication matters.
Code duplication can make software harder to maintain, increase bugs, and slow down development. Repeated blocks of code mean that when one part changes, others might be missed, leading to inconsistent behavior. Understanding why duplication happens is the first step toward writing cleaner, more reliable code.
Recognizing code duplication.
Identifying code duplication isn't always obvious. Look for similar logic, repeated functions, or copy and paste sections spread across files. Tools like liners and code analysis programs can help flag duplicates. Regular code reviews also play a crucial role in spotting these patterns before they become a bigger problem.
Refactoring, the key to cleaner code.
Refactoring is the process of restructuring code to eliminate duplication while keeping the software's behavior the same. Extract common code into functions, classes, or modules. Use clear names and parameters to create reusable components. Small, incremental changes are best, making sure you test often to maintain functionality.
Utilizing frameworks and libraries.
Many frameworks and libraries offer built-in solutions that help reduce duplication. Leverage these tools for common tasks like database access, error handling, or formatting. Instead of reinventing the wheel, use established solutions to keep your codebase lean, organized, and consistent across the project.
Best practices to prevent duplication.
Adopt coding standards within your team and document common solutions to recurring problems. Encourage open communication, frequent code reviews, and pair programming. Invest time in creating and reusing utility functions. These best practices not only help avoid code duplication, but also foster a healthier and more productive coding environment.